Concepts, nature, and purposes of curriculum. What is curriculum? Its purpose, its nature. Curriculum from different points of view. Traditional points of view. Body of subject or subject matter prepared by the teachers for the students to learn. Synonymous to the course of study and syllabus. Basic education should emphasize the 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. Robert Hutchins. Curriculum should focus on the fundamental intellectual disciplines of grammar, literature, and writing. Joseph Schwab viewed that discipline is the sole source of curriculum. According to Phoenix, curriculum should consist entirely of knowledge which comes from various disciplines. Curriculum can be viewed as a field of study. Most of the traditional ideas view curriculum as a written document or a plan of action in accomplishing goals. Progressive points of view. Curriculum is defined as the total learning experiences of the individual. Thought is not derived from action but tested by application. 2 models of curriculum development. Ralph Tyler Model, 4 basic principles. What educational purposes should the school seek to attain? What educational experiences can be provided that are likely to attain the purposes? How can these educational experiences be effectively organized? How can we determine whether these purposes are being attained or not? Hilda Tabas Model, Grassroots Approach. 7 major steps. Diagnosis of learners' needs and expectations of the larger society. Formulation of learning objectives. Selection of learning content. Organization of learning content. Selection of learning experiences. Organization of learning activities. Determination of what to evaluate and the means of doing it. Types of curriculum operating in schools. Recommended curriculum, written curriculum, taught curriculum, supported curriculum, assessed curriculum, learned curriculum, and lastly, hidden curriculum.
Created using Powtoon.